This video I will share you another newly launched best meme coin, another trending meme coin, and this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for Binance Exchange. And in next year mega bull, we can see its market up to $10 billion here. Right now, you can see more than 1,000% pump in last 24 hours. Vast reason why this meme coin can be the next listing for Binance Exchange and can be the next $10 billion market meme coin. So videos be very very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Fast Kagason's name and recently Elon Musk story about this meme coin. So that's why this another Elon Musk inspired meme coin. It's the 1100% pump here, $0.18 current price, and in last 14 days 22,000% pump, last 7 days 10,000% pump, last 24 hours almost 1200% pump here. So this is unbelievable performance from this meme coin. Current market exceeds $178 million. So this is amazing. $146 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. This is awesome. That's the reason. That's why we can see maybe its price up to $10 here. And we are only 6% down the all time high. They were just 1 hour ago. So right now buying in this meme coin can be very highly risky because right now we are on its all time high. But definitely as entire crypto market is right now dumping, after few hours maybe this coin can dump here and we can buy this meme coin. I think around $150 million or $120 million market. We are almost 26,000% up in its all-time low. They were 14 days ago. So within just 14 days of its launching, this meme coin is 26,000% pump here. So this is amazing performance. That's why I told you that this is next $1 billion market meme coin. And still there's no Binance, there's no KuCoin, there's no Coinbase, only BingX, Gate.io, MEXC has listed. And friends, maybe in coming few days we can see its listing on KuCoin. Maybe today KuCoin can list this coin, and it's also possible because this coin has massive hype right now. So it's definitely possible that we can see its listing on Binance Exchange also. You can see trending coin, and right now this meme coin is trending here. And again in crypto market, massive trend for meme coin. You can see Happy Cat is trending, Phoenix is trending, and AI6 16Z. This meme coin is trending here. Purdy Penguins is trending here, and Expert by Virtual. This meme coin I also shared with you. Okay, in low price and right now also pump huge here. So these all meme coins are again trending here. So right now we can say another mega bull run in meme coins. So this is awesome, friends, and this is other amazing meme coin because working on Ethereum chain. This is not Solana ecosystem meme coin. That is pump dump ecosystem, but this is Ethereum chain meme coin. You can see France fake frog theme meme coin, just like Turbo and Pepe. Loan must inspire meme coin, just like Shopcoin. Poltify meme coin, just like Maga coin. And AI meme coin. So these narratives are amazing. That's why I am very bullish about this meme coin. That this the meme coin that can be the next Pepe. You can see smart cap next will run, okay, and up to maybe $10 billion. And definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for Binance also. FSXC on EtherScan. You can check out all further details here. 15,952 holders, 15,952 holders, number of holders amazing. You can check out price here, and these are the top holders of this meme coin. First, MEXC is holding highest of supply, that is 5%. Okay, and another wallet, second wallet has 2% of supply, third wallet has 1% of supply, and these all wallet you can see holding 1% of supply. So this is good that highest supply is on MEXC exchange, that is a Central exchange. So Central exchange is holding highest of supply. So this is awesome, and maybe it's possible that we can see Binance wallet to also hold this coin because right now this meme coin is trending here. Massive hype, more than 26,000% pump in last 14 days. So this is amazing. So friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is 100 and nearly $80 million, but I think in next 8 to 10 months we can see its market cap up to maybe $5 to $10 billion here. Okay, because its narratives are amazing. AI category meme coin, Elon Musk inspired, folk theme meme coin, So this is amazing, and definitely I think in coming few months we can see this listing on Binance Exchange. But do not buy this meme coin after watching this video, because I think we can see a good jump in this meme coin, because right now already pumped more than 100% in last 24 hours. So we have to wait here for coming few days. After few days we can see maybe its price dump here, and when you find this meme coin around $150 million or $120 million market, that definitely possible. If this has pump huge here, so it means this can dump good here. So after good dump we can make best entry here, and will hold this meme coin for at least next 10 to 11 months from now.